If any day any of you are a YouTube user and you would like to restore your old YouTube layout but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to just go to the Play Store on your mobile device. After you go to the Play Store on your mobile device, now in the search section of your very mobile device, you have to search YouTube Free Docs, because in order to just receive the old layout of the YouTube, we have to download a new application that is YouTube Redox out there. Now, after we tap on YouTube Redox, we have to see whether you find the very application of YouTube Redox or not. If you did not find the option of YouTube Redox in your Play Store out there, you have to go to the option of the Google Chrome. On your mobile device, in the search icon, you have to search YouTube Redox. After you search YouTube Redox, you can see the option like this. So you have to tap on the first option, that is YouTube Redox, like this. And after you tap on that, you can see that adding this where YouTube Redox is an option on how you can just replicate your old YouTube look and features within the modern layout, because sometimes you may be very tired of Lushy for working with other negatives to restore the old YouTube layout. Therefore, YouTube Redox is the best option here. And you have to make sure one thing, that this very application option is only available on your desktop version. So what you have to do is you have to go to the option of YouTube Redox and then go to the option of Add to Desktop like this and tap on Add to Desktop and wait for a while. And after that, you can install this on your phone, or you can directly go to your very PC there, and you can also download the very option of YouTube Redox. In this way, you can replicate your old YouTube look. Thank you for watching our video, and if you're rating like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.